Welcome to 12.3, different types of graphs. So we have 3 graphs. We got a dot plot today, a histogram, also known as a bar graph, and a stem and leaf plot. So we're going to be practicing all 3 of those today, as well as reviewing some of our box and whisker plots. So first, a dot plot, a graphic display that uses dots to display data. Aiden times how long his friends take to eat their lunch. The data is shown below. How many students took 8 or more minutes? So each one of these dots, y'all, is a student. So that student taking 8 or more minutes is all of these people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students. What percentage ate their lunch in 5 minutes or less? All right, so my 5 minutes or less is going to be all these people. But to get a percentage, I need to know my total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, so he interviewed 19 people. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ate their lunch in 5 minutes or less. So isn't that half? Not 50%? Oh, 8 over 19 is 42%. And all I did on that, y'all, is 8 divided by 19, and you just take the first 2 numbers because it's a percent. It's out of 100. What is the average time it takes to eat lunch? All right, so we're going to have to add all these up and divide by the number that we have. So we're going to divide by 19. But to do that, we need to add up 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You see what I got going here? So 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 12 plus 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes is 24. No 7s plus 16. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 20. So I got, for my average, I got 112 divided by 19 is 5.9 minutes. And if you look at this, that data kind of makes sense. I have some outliers up here, a little bit longer, but yeah, about 5.8 minutes, 5.9 minutes. What is the median? So I need the thing in the middle. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm just trying to find the number in the middle. It's already been listed from least to greatest. Okay, 6, 6. Okay, so the median is going to be a 6, right? 6 is in the middle. The median is 6. What is the distribution of the data? So is it skewed left or right? Is it symmetric? What are we looking? Maybe a little bit of a skew, but if you look, my average and my median are about the same. So we're going to say we can use the mean or the median. It doesn't really matter. It's not skewed. Right, in class, we made this dot plot ourselves with your class's information. We found the info. Make some numbers up for this. Histogram, similar to a bar chart, but a histogram groups numbers into ranges. So like you're going to have a bar graph, right, as categories at the bottom. So like USA, India, UK, right? But a histogram has number ranges. So this is from everybody from 0 to 150, everybody from 150 to 200. Like that's the difference between that and a bar graph. They're great to show results of continuous data, right? So like how many people weigh between this and this? How many people are between these 2 heights? Like when just categories isn't as helpful and you don't really care about like how many people weigh, 151 and how many people weigh 152. Like you want the range. So we're going to use this histogram to answer the questions. How many students are represented? So students are over here. So let's see. I've got 6 students here, 7 students here, 6 students here, 9 students here, and 7 students here. So that means there are 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 more, 35 students. How many students scored a D or lower? So a D is here and lower. So what's that, 13 students? Most students scored between the highest graph here is scored between an 80 and an 89. And if a student scored lower than a 74, if a student scored a 74, which bar would they be added to? They'd be added to this one, the 70 to the 79 bar. Last one is a stem and leaf plot. The stem is the first digit. Sometimes it's 2 digits. And the leaf is the final digit. So what this means is this is 35. There are no 40s, okay? 55, 66, 68. So like the two numbers represented here are 66 and 68. These numbers are 71, 73, 74, 78, 78, 78, 79. Okay, do we see how to read this? All right, so we can find the mean, median, mode, and range. How many grades are large? Okay, here we go. Mean, I got to add them all up and divide by the number I have. 35 plus 55 plus 66 plus 68 plus 71 plus 73 plus 74 plus 80, 78, 78, 78, 79, 80, 82. Sorry, y'all should have done this before. 86, 86, 91, 93, 94, 99, 100, 100. All right, so I got 166. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hopefully I did this right because I'm doing it on the fly. So I got my mean is 79.3. My mode, what happens the most? This 78 happens the most. I don't see anything else that's 3 or more. Okay. The median is the thing that's in the middle. So my middle, cross one out the bottom, one out the top. Bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. The middle is 79, so my median and my mode are pretty close to each other. You could use either. And then the range is going to be 100 minus 35. Just because I make so many mistakes, we're using a calculator really quickly. My range is 65. All right, how many grades were larger than 75? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Distribution of the data, no skew. Well, I mean, that's an outlier. I guess my median is a little higher than my mode. So we're going to say skewed. Let's see if it's smaller. That's going to be skewed left. It's on the bottom. All right, then you have to make your own stem and leaf plot. I'm going to pause the video and come back to this so you can try it, but just to like set yourself up for success. These numbers are 50 through 90, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, so like the lowest number, look, there's a 63, to 54. Okay, now I can kind of work my 70s. So 75, 76, 71, 75, 76, 79. All right, we see what we got going here. I think we're okay. Keep going, finish that, find all this information. All right, your homework is to use an online calculator to make each type of graph. I have screenshot them all, or not screenshot, I have linked them so that you can actually find a good graph. Screenshot, which is Shift Control Show Windows, and put your graph here. Y'all, in the real life, you are never gonna have to make one of these by hand. You are always gonna be using some sort of technology to make your graph. So let's start doing that now. And then your homework is Delta Math, reading graphs. I think it's like 9-ish questions. Hope that helps.